Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous Rakshabandhan greeting card where I will share how to make these lovely Rakhi patterns which I have used to decorate my card. And here I have prepared total 4 patterns of the Rakhis which I have doubled it and decorated my card. And you can simply open it like this and write the beautiful message for your sibling. Isn't it very festive and very vibrant? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking double-sided tacky tape and taking beautiful designer cardstock which is 3.5 by 3.5 centimeters. So I am just sticking the double-sided tacky tape on back side of the cardstock and just burnish it nicely, remove the back liners and sticking it on gold mirror cardstock. The gold mirror cardstock measures 4 by 4 centimeters. So here actually I am making the panels on which we are going to add our beautiful quilled rakhi, and in the same way we need total 8 bases. And one base we need in the center which is having plain white cardstock on the top. So in total we need 9 panels. Now here I am taking 28 by 14 centimeters maroon color cardstock, just folded it from center. And now it's time to arrange all these squares one by one. So just putting it roughly so that we will know the exact gap between each square. And then start attaching it one by one using glue. So this is completely ready. Now here I am taking 4 by 4 centimeter white cardstock square again and writing the sentiment Happy Rakshabandhan using my gel marker. Like this. And on back side of this I am going to add few layers of the cardstock to make the dimensional base. So I am just sticking it on back side of our sentiment and then sticking it exactly in the center of the card. So that it will have nice dimensional center. And our card base is completely ready. Now it's time to create quilling rakhis. So here I am starting with my first pattern. For this, here I am taking 1/4 strip of orange color in 3 mm and making one simple leaf shape. For all my Rakhi patterns, I am using 3 mm strips only and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. So the leaf is ready. Similarly, I have prepared some more leaves already. Now here I am taking 1/8 strip of yellow color in 3 mm and making a small tight coil, and with the same way we need some more small tight coils. Now taking one small cardstock piece and on which I am going to start adhering these orange colored leaf shapes in a flower shape. Then between each shape I am going to attach yellow color tight coil. Like this. Then on the edge I am wrapping orange color strip. Add glue on the edge. And I will stick this beautiful pearl chain around the edge. Then exactly in the center I am sticking a small mirror. And our first pattern is completely ready. Looking very pretty. Now I am proceeding for the next pattern of the Rakhi. For this here I already prepared some shapes. These pink and green tight coils are made using 1/4 strips and the bigger tight coil is made using 1 strip of pink color. Now taking again a small piece of cardstock and start arranging all the pieces on this. So first I am attaching big tight coil in the center, then around this I am adding green color tight coils. Then between green tight coil I am sticking these pink tight coils. Then exactly in the center adding one small silver color stone. Around this adding pink color ball chain. And then around this adding pearl chain. This is looking absolutely stunning. Then between these pink tight coils I am adding small yellow color tight coils which are made using 1/8 strips. And our beautiful second pattern is also ready. Now I am proceeding for the third pattern. So to create leaf here I am taking half strip of dark purple color in 3 mm and making a leaf shape. Then on top of this I am adding blue and sticking one blue color leaf shaped stone on top of this. So similarly we need 8 petals. Then sticking these petals together to create the flower shape. Like this. Then between each petal I am adding these light purple color tight coils which are made using 1/8 strips. Then in the center I am adding one purple color tight coil which is made using half strip. Then on top of this I am adding one small silver color stone, and this is done. Then proceeding for the fourth design. For this, here I am taking half strip of red color in 3mm and making a teardrop shape. Similarly, I have prepared some more teardrops already. Then created one tight coil which is made using half strip and some small tight coils which are made using 1/8 strips. Then taking one small piece of cardstock and start arranging the teardrop shapes first to create the flower design. In the center I am adding half strip tight coil. Then between each design I am adding blue color tight coils. Then in the center I am sticking one small piece of yellow color stone. Around this adding blue color ball chain, and then around this I am adding diamond chain. And the fourth pattern is also completely ready, looking very stunning. So all the designs we need 2 in quantity. So in total I have prepared 8 patterns. So everything is ready, and now it's time to decorate our card panels. So taking back my card, and one by one I'll start arranging all my patterns in each panel. Like this. Then in the corner of each square I am sticking these beautiful silver color stones. It will give nice jharoka style pattern to your card. And the beautiful paper quilling card for Rakshabandhan is completely ready. You can write the beautiful message for your sibling. So you can gift it to your brother or your sister and make your festival filled with more warmth. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.